Hello everyone and welcome back to Pixbugs Tuts. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a video within OBS. Without further delay, let's jump right into it. So the first thing is always open OBS Studio. Once OBS Studio is open, go down to the sources area and hit the little plus button. From there you can choose all kinds of sources. You're going to want to select media source. And I'm just going to name this video. Hit OK. You'll want to select the browse button and browse to the location of your video. Once you choose that, you can choose loop, so it'll continue to keep playing the video over and over and over again. That works really well if you have some kind of animation. You can also have it restart playback when your source becomes active. So when you switch to that scene or turn the eyeball on, it'll start from the beginning every time. I'm going to select OK. And now you can see that the video is starting. If I hit the eyeball, it stops. And when I hit it again, it starts from the beginning. You can also have this as a dedicated scene. So if I came over to scenes here and I added a scene and I just named this video, click OK. Now in the sources, I can add the media source and add existing. I already created the video, so there it is. Click OK. So when I switch back to the other scene and go back to video, it'll start over every time. This is nice if you want to play videos during your production. You can add a bunch of different videos as scenes, and as soon as you change to them, they become active. You can control the video. You can fast forward, pause, or stop by the little navigation bar down here in the bottom. It's as simple as that. Please stay tuned for some upcoming OBS Studio videos. I plan on doing quite a bit more. I'll also show you how to create scenes. Until next time.